Today, sunny and clear weather was back across the country, but slightly chilly weather will continue until tomorrow morning, and then temperatures will rise from the afternoon. Tomorrow, the daytime temperature in most parts of the country will rise to around 25 degrees Celsius. Winds are still strong, so extra precaution is necessary. Gusts of more than 50 meters per second will hit the country. In particular, typhoon-like winds of 25 meters per second are expected in eastern parts of Gangwon-do Province, inland areas of Gyeongsangbuk-do Province, and on Jeju Island, where strong wind warnings have been issued. On top of that, you should be careful of safety accidents, as strong waves are expected on the east coast. Tomorrow, Seoul, Daejeon, and Gwangju will start off at 12 degrees. It will move up to 25 in Seoul, Chuncheon, and Daejeon, Gwangju 29 degrees. It will be mostly sunny for the time being, and it will get warmer as the day goes by. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.